guys, so I just want to take a second to show you this beauty that I found at the thrift store. It was actually a set of two for 20 bucks, and the shades are not good, but this finial is kind of vintagey. It's pretty neat. I'm gonna keep it. So I do have to get new shades, but I really just wanted to take a second to show you this hand-painted lamp. I like this brass base that I'm gonna do a really cool treatment and just kind of make them into something new. So stay tuned. Can't wait to show you, find out what you think. It'll be on the blog. Alright, so this was my first attempt. I want to make kind of a polka dot bubble lamp, and once I spray painted, all the glue came undone. So I could have tried a different glue, but then I got this idea. This is my second attempt, and I put spackling compound in a sandwich bag, cut the tip kind of like for frosting, and then make sure you wear gloves because there's silicone in the spackle compound. And I just wiped it off different angles. It kind of had a whimsical look. I love how it turned out. It looks like kind of like little feathers, my oldest daughter pointed out. So I'm really excited. But what I don't know is how it's going to turn out when I spray paint all of it white. There's one way to find out though. So that's the next step. Okay, here is the after. What do you guys think? I'd love for you to let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.